I'll get all of them.
So this is one of the great treats of Chinatown, Newtown Bakery steamed pork bun, which you basically have fluffy, pillowy wrapper around pulled pork. It's only $3.50, baby. Still one of the great things you can grab in Vancouver's Chinatown. It hasn't changed since I was a kid. And you can just walk around. Enjoy the sights and sounds. Some dried shrimp. Look at that filling, little hoisin pork action. Chinatown may be disappearing a little bit, but it's still strong and it's still one of the most historic parts of the city. And still home to cheap snacks. I don't know many places where you can get food for $3 or ginseng or a lifelong amount of shiitake mushrooms. Well, that's it, a quick little rain-soaked tour of Vancouver's Chinatown. Hope you enjoyed it.